Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll walk you through how to download GTA 4 for free on your PC or laptop running Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Rockstar Games. Click on the official Rockstar Games website from the results. Once on the home page, go to the search icon at the top right corner. Type GTA 4 in the search bar and press Enter. You should see GTA 4 in the search results. Click on it to go to the game's official page. From there, click on Buy Now to complete the process. Alternatively, you can download GTA 4 through Steam. Open the Steam application or visit the Steam website. Search for GTA 4 using the search bar provided. Select GTA 4 from the list of results. Enter your date of birth if prompted, then click View Page. Next, click on Add to Cart, followed by Continue to Payment. GTA 4 occasionally becomes available for free during special promotions, so regularly check Steam's promotions page to stay updated. That's it. You now know exactly how to download GTA 4 for free on your PC or laptop. If this tutorial was useful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy and clear tech tutorials.